Can changing the logger buffer size on my Android device improve performance or fix issues?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of Android, specifically looking at the logger buffer size. You may be wondering, can changing the logger buffer size on my Android device improve performance or fix issues? We're about to unravel this topic, so stick with us as we break it down for you.
What is logger buffer size?
Logger buffer size refers to the amount of memory allocated by your Android device to store log files. These log files contain critical system information, including system behavior, errors, and crashes. Essentially, they serve as your device's diary, documenting its activities and interactions.
Can adjusting logger buffer size impact performance?
The direct impact of changing the logger buffer size on overall device performance can be considered minimal. The logger buffer is not directly tied to the execution speed of your applications or the responsiveness of your user interface. However, altering it can have indirect consequences. Increasing the logger buffer size might result in the system using more memory to store logs, which could potentially slow down your device if it has limited RAM. On the other hand, decreasing the buffer size could cause the system to overwrite logs more frequently, which may result in losing valuable troubleshooting information.
Can modifying logger buffer size aid in troubleshooting?
Yes, adjusting the logger buffer size can help in troubleshooting. Increasing the buffer size allows your device to retain more log data over time. This means that if an issue or error arises, you're likely to have more information available for diagnosis. Conversely, if you reduce the logger buffer size, you may lose access to older logs, limiting your ability to trace back the origin of any problems.
So, should I change my logger buffer size?
Before deciding to change your logger buffer size, you should consider the following. 1. Your device's RAM capacity. If your device is already low on memory, increasing the logger buffer size may contribute to system lag. 2. Your troubleshooting needs. If you frequently dive into system logs for debugging purposes, a larger buffer could be beneficial. However, for most users, the default logger buffer size set by the Android system should be more than sufficient. So, in answer to the original question, changing the logger buffer size on your Android device can potentially aid in troubleshooting but is not guaranteed to significantly improve overall device performance. It's a balance between memory usage and logging needs. Remember, every adjustment in your device's settings should be done with understanding and care. We hope you found this discussion enlightening. Stay curious and keep exploring the tech world around you. Until next time, happy tinkering!